these things do just shift symbols around. They've got no sense of what a restaurant is or a hamburger or anything else. I entirely agree. But then I think there are two things that you would need to add to that sort of program, to get a program which was much nearer to having genuine meaning, genuine intentionality. One is, as you said yourself, you've got to have some semantics plugged in. Now, how are you going to do that? I agree you cannot do it in principle purely by adding more formal rules, which by definition aren't interpreted in terms of things in the real world. And I think that you've got to have some causal relationship built into the computer, just as it's built into our brain, into our retina, you know, whatever, in order to establish the semantics, in order to establish the reference. And you've not only got to have sense organs, if you like, taking information in causal commerce with the world, you've also got to have the thing, you know, manipulating things. So if it doesn't, you know, if the egg foo young has a certain chemical in it, it will spit it out and so forth, as we do. Now, if you say that that reply isn't really very clear because there's all sorts of questions, all sorts of problems you could raise about whether I really have plugged semantics in, I would say you're absolutely right. But then I would say we don't understand from the philosophical point of view clearly what semantics is in the human case. We don't understand what it is for you or me to refer to that glass. So to be fair, we shouldn't ask for a clearer account of semantics in the AI case than we ask for in the human case.